Well, this is Llandudno pier. It is actually fenced off for the first time that I've ever seen that. It's got gates across it, so you couldn't walk all over it. Only a few costs. I used to walk right to the end of that pier and look out over the sea. Anyway, this is the beach. This is the Queen, as they call it, of British seaside resorts. A very elegant place, and it's like a huge Bath crescent. Very elegant buildings. Just getting a zoom in a bit. Over there is the Little Orme. That's the Little Orme, they call it. And behind me, which is the much bigger, where the Great Orme, they call it. But there we go. This is very elegant, these buildings. Hotels and coffee and hotels and really nice evening lights. And that over there, where's it? Oh, that's a Bull Terrier, Bill Sykes dog. And that is the Punch and Judy. Where's the thing gone? Oh, where's the camera going? That's to the right. Ah, that is where Punch and Judy is. Yeah. Right, I'll just go over there to show. Come along. Oh, there's the bit. Go up there. There's a sort of artificial ski slope for toboggans for kids up there. It's not really a grown-ups place. Come on. Woof. There's a superb Swiss chalet cafe there. Falcon, you are a stupid animal. Right. Fea wasn't like that. Fea knew how to untangle her lead. Anyway, never mind. There's no point. I can try and expect dogs to have the same habits as other dogs. Right, where was I? Oh, that's some kind of obelisk, a bit like in Paris, an Egyptian thing. Can't remember why it's there, but it is an obelisk, yeah, which is Egyptian. Anyway, right. So this is what is politically no longer correct, the Punch and Judy. But they're not correct, PC, because you're supposed to laugh. He's always beating his wife up, which is her. Can't remember. I've never actually. But anyway, one of these days, after all these years, I ought to come and watch one of these Punch and Judys. It's actually, it's a live puppet show. They're on strings, puppet on a string. Ah, da 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 da. A puppet on a string. That's the way to do it. Is what his catchphrase was. Well, it's still going at the moment. I'm surprised Mary Whitehouse haven't cleaned up and stopped Tom and Jerry and all that stuff. Anyway, they've got all kinds of things here, but the most elegant thing about it is the seafront. Yes, it's lovely. You can hear the sea. Very tidy place and elegant, I think. Look at that. No litter. Those big litter bins, proper litter bins. There's Bill Sykes and Bullseye, I think he's called, in the Oliver Twist, Charles Dickens book. Of course, this place is famous for Lewis Carroll. He used to come through some holidays here, and he wrote The Adventures of Alice in Wonderland, and Through the Looking Glass and all that, for the little girl of a friend of his, to tell her stories here. And and they've got the White Rabbit, sort of Alice in Wonderland statues and interesting trail. Very good, well done statues actually. That is a big wheel. I've never been up that either. But you see, when you have a dog, you can't leave them in the car in the heat. But you never know. One of these days when it's weather like this, just lucky it's cool. Oh, what's all that lights over there? Some kind of. It gets really nice and glowing in the evening here. It's dusk, but of course it's not dusk yet. It's only about 8:30, which is early. It's very mild waves here. It's we were at Colwyn Bay further along earlier, and the waves were quite dramatic. Oh, there's an inscription: George and Frida Ingham, 1916 to 1996, and then 1918 to 2006. 1918? Oh, good heavens. Treasured memories of happy times. May you forever rest in peace, your sons and daughters. Oh, that's a lovely inscription, isn't it? Yes. 96. So in fact, yes, Frida outlived him by a long time, as is normal. Yeah, there was only 2 years difference in age when he was 1916 and she was just after the First World War, 1918, when it ended, the First World War. But anyway, in loving memory. Oh, there's all of these things have got inscriptions down here. Oh, yes. Home at last. Right. Well, that's not the last one. No. Walter and Francis Brindley. Now reunited, 2006, 2019. Family donated. That's very good of people, isn't it? And all of these benches here, people can sit. Of course, I'm not going to sit on it today because they're rather wet. It's been drizzling. But I've been up at Bodmin Gardens, which is about 20 minutes drive from here. I'm not quite sure how to. I should have put the sat nav on, but I didn't bother. Oh dear. Well, oh well, that's why the battery is dying. Oh yes, it's about to die on me. So that's the end of this video. Oh.